Morning, everybody. It's currently like 10 a.m. It's 47 degrees and super foggy. We're supposed to be headed out to do some blasting today on a pickup truck bed. It's a newer pickup. I don't know the exact year. Anyways, I'm headed into town now to meet up with my dad. Not sure the client's going to want to do it with the weather the way it is. So I'm going to cut you off here, and I'll pick up when I meet up with my dad. So this is what we're blasting, just the burnt spots on this truck and tailgate. All right, here we are with our Dustless blasting system set up. Holds 100 pounds of media and 10 gallons of water and the rust inhibitor to keep the metal from flash rusting. off the truck. Alright, this is the finished product of the Dustless blaster on this burnt bed.